Hi there, today on this Millennial Review we're talking about a AC power adapter kit for the Canon EOS M3, M5 and M6 cameras. Those are the cameras that use the LP-e17 Canon battery, and what I've got today is the Glorich ACK-E17 AC power adapter kit for that camera. Now, the reason I've purchased this is at work. I've started to do some social media videos and things like that with my Canon camera. It's sort of one of these pet projects to just extend and see what I can actually do. Now, in doing that though, because I'm using all different people at work to make these videos with me, sometimes the shots go really long. Now, in doing that, what I end up running into is, if I'm trying to use the camera and do take after take, I really need a way to be able to have this camera plug in rather than just rely on constantly replacing batteries. It's also a great thing, say, if you're using the camera as a standalone webcam, or if you're wanting to record a really long event. Maybe you're wanting to record a speech that somebody's doing at a school or that sort of thing, and then upload it to the internet later on. You're going to need more than just the ability to replace batteries, because you want to have that kind of consistent stream of video. It's pretty cheap to get gigantic cards to be able to just continually run video and edit later. So it's going to be nice to be able to use this AC adapter. Now, the AC adapter is, rated pretty highly. I think there's only a couple of reviews on it, so I wanted to make one that's pretty in-depth here. So let's go ahead and pop this open. I'll show you how to use the AC adapter and all of that good stuff. Alright, so we've got our Canon camera to show you how to place it in, and then we've got the AC adapter right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's a pretty simple box. I've actually used this a few times, so I've placed it back into the box how I remember it being. It's going to come in with a little bit of just a note telling you how to use it. It's also going to mention to you that it's going to tell you that Canon does not, guarantee the performance, yada yada yada. It seems to work just fine in my EOS M3, but mileage may vary whether or not it gives you, an error or something like that. Now in here, you're going to get this DC coupler unit, the DR-E17 it says. It looks just like the factory Canon battery. We've got the Canon battery right there. One thing to mention, it doesn't make any difference in the camera, but the DC adapter is actually just a touch smaller in size than the factory battery. Now you're going to get one of these nice kind of generic two-prong US cables. Take that apart here, and so it's nice and long. I think it's probably in the range of about 5 foot. And then you're going to get the AC to DC inverter. So we'll go ahead and open this guy up as well. And this itself has quite a long cable too. I mean, it's hard to show on this video, but that's what we have going on. Now, to be able to use the battery, all you got to do is flip over your camera, pop it open. We've got our DC coupler unit there. Slides right into place, just like we said it would. And then you'll actually see this little opening that's specific for these little couplers. So you can spin that around. You'll actually see inside of there, that's where the plug for the battery is. So we just slide the plug in. Now the next step, right on our wall here, we've got our power strip. Let's go ahead and plug the power strip in, plug it into the inverter, just like that. No lights or anything like that, but what you'll see is we can now press the power button and it'll turn right on. So like I said, at least on my Canon EOS M3, I don't get any of those errors, but it obviously, up on the left hand side where there would have been a charge left indicator for the battery. That of course isn't there. But now we have constant AC power plugged right into the wall there, and you can actually run this camera virtually indefinitely plugged in. Thanks for watching this review on the Glorich AC adapter for the Canon EOS M3, M5, M6 cameras. Overall, I definitely like this charger. I think it works well, or rather constant power, not quite a charger. Now, if you want to get one of these for your own camera, go ahead and click the link description down below. It's good for the channel. It allows me to get more of these things, and you get the exact product that I just reviewed. And of course, hit that like button and subscribe so you can see more of these videos into the future.